Hello, good morning children. Welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Children, we were discussing the new chapter, that is issue of debentures. In this chapter, we are going to deal with today issue of debentures as collateral securities. Now, what is this collateral security? Have you heard about the security which is kept in the bank while taking the loan? So, it is also same. Loans taken are secured by mortgage of the asset purchase is known as primary or principal security. So when you take a loan from the bank, you have to mortgage some asset which is known as the primary or principal security. Security given in addition to the primary or principal security is termed as collateral security. So in addition to this primary or principal security, if you are keeping one more additional security, that is known as collateral security, that is second security. When the loan is repaid, debentures issued as collateral securities are returned to the company. So the bank to whom we have kept debenture as our second security, as collateral security, that will be given back to the company when the loans are repaid by the company. Okay, so this is the idea behind the issue of debentures as collateral security. So here is the accounting treatment. Debentures issued as a collateral security can be dealt in two ways. First method, when journal entry is not passed. In that itself there are two possibilities, that is if we have taken loan for a long term purpose and if we have taken loan for a short term purpose. So in both these cases you have to when we are following the first method, there is no journal entries. Okay, so let us see how to do this. Here is one problem with the first method when journal entry is not passed. So debenture is issued as collateral securities for long term loan from the bank. If you have taken long term loan from the bank and you have kept debentures as your collateral securities, that you have to show it in the balance sheet. Okay, so as you know, in the balance sheet you have to draw a balance sheet, and in balance sheet you will show particulars, note number and amount. In that, the first thing you have to write is equity and liability, and as you know, it's a long term loan, so in which you will show this non-current liabilities. Okay, under long term liabilities you have to one more subheading is that is long term borrowings. Here now, before closing this, you have to show the notes to accounts. In notes to accounts, how you will write it? Long term borrowings, and under that you have to write term loans from bank. See what you have to write? Term loans from bank. How much loan you have taken? 5 lakh you have taken. Okay, that amount you will write here, and as a narration to this you have to write secured by issue of 6,000 9% debentures of ₹100 each as collateral securities. This information will be provided in your question itself. Okay, this amount are imaginary. Okay, so this is how you have to show it in your balance sheet. Remember, you have to first of all show the balance sheet in which equity and liability will be displayed. Then non-current liabilities you have to write, and under that long-term borrowings. And in long-term borrowings, that is notes to account, you have to write number 1, long-term borrowings, term loan from the bank. How much is the loan? 5 lakh. And for taking 5 lakh loan, you have kept the secured. You have secured that is as a collateral securities. You have kept the debenture which value is 6,000 and market value, that is 100 rupees each, nominal value. So secured by issue of 6,000 9% debentures of 100 each as collateral security. This was long term borrowing. Now what about the short term loan from the bank? That also the same way you have to show it in the balance sheet, equity and liability, but in current liabilities, and you have to write short term borrowings. It is an imaginary amount, write down note 1, 5 lakh. Then in note number 1, you have to show this. How does you got this amount? Short-term borrowings. Short-term borrowings, loan from bank. How much is the loan taken? 5 lakh. Here also you have to write the same wordings, that is secured by issue of 6,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each as collateral security. So this is how you have to display this in the balance sheet. This is the first method without showing the journal entry. So you have to just show the balance sheet. Now with the second method, when journal entry is passed. So what is the journal entry is passed for issue of debentures as collateral security? Here is the journal entry. Remember, just look into this. Debenture suspense account debited to percentage debenture account. Debenture suspense account debited to percentage debenture account. Now how you the same thing you have to show. This is how you have to show it in the balance sheet. Equity and liability, non-current liability, long-term borrowings. Note number 1, 5 lakh. In note number, write down number 1, long-term borrowing, term loan from the bank. How much is the loan taken from the bank? 5 lakh. Write down in after that you have to write down 6,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each issued as collateral securities. How much is the that value you are getting? 6,000 into 100, that will give you 6 lakh. Then write down less debenture suspense account. How much is the suspense account we are creating for? 6 lakh. The answer here is, as you are subtracting this, the answer will be 0. So in total your amount is 5 lakh, which you will show it in the balance sheet. So this is the procedure, or this is how you have to prepare the balance sheet in case of issuing the debentures as collateral securities. So you can by heart this format and the way of presenting it in the balance sheet.